YouTube babe, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I want to start out by first of all thanking you all of you guys for your love and support on all my videos. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you. Hopefully you guys can see me well. There we go. Well, today I'm giving you guys my living room tour. Now my space is not completed, but we've been in this house for 1 year. I didn't do as much as I would love to, but I feel like I am still happy with how everything turned out. It's not too much. I don't have pumpkins everywhere, although I have few here and there. But if you've been following me for the longest, you know, like I have a thing for pumpkin. I love doing a pumpkin patch in a few areas. In my family room, yes, I went a little overboard, but in here, I feel like it's a little subtle. So I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you love it. I won't make this video long by telling you where everything is from, but I will link it down below. But the two main questions that I always get, or I should say three main questions that I always get, is where my couch is from. So my couch, my coffee table, and my chandelier in this living room is from RH, so Restoration Hardware, and I'll leave the exact name in the description if you guys are interested. But yeah, I got it from RH. Would I recommend this couch by Restoration Hardware? Yes and no. Yes and no. If you guys like me to do a full video on my thoughts and my experience so far, not with customer service but just in general of furniture, is it worth the hype? Is the quality is there? I'll say yes and no as well. So let me know if you want me to do that, and we'll definitely do a separate video in that topic. But without further ado, you guys are here for a fall house tour. I hope you guys love it as much as I do, and let's get started. As soon as you're walking into my foyer, you are greeted with this gorgeous chandelier that I got from Amazon. It was very inexpensive. I absolutely love it. If you guys seen my entryway makeover, you know where this tire is from. In case you missed my entryway makeover, I'll link it above so you guys can see it. I have the name of the exact same tile and finishes in that video. My console table is from RH. I absolutely love it. If you're not a member, you know YouTube hit a little more, so don't worry guys, I have a dupe down below. Looks very similar. For length reference, this is a 72-inch, and my entryway, my landing upstairs I should say, this is how I have it styled for fall. I kept it very simple. Still don't have pictures in those picture frame, OMG, but I still love it. I have the same pumpkins that I have downstairs, upstairs, just a different color. Family room, we kept it cozy and beautiful and neutral. Love it, love it, love it. It's not the pop of orange left and right, but I definitely feel like it's very inviting and very warm and cozy, which was the aesthetic that my daughter really wanted for fall. So I love, love, love that. After this, we are wrapping up fall and we're jumping straight to Christmas. So sorry guys, the life of a content creator. So for my main living room, I kept it very, very simple. I don't have pumpkins left and right. I just have a couple, you know, drizzle here and there. But I wanted to also mention that a few things all sold out that I cannot link, like this vase for an example. I got it from Pottery Barn 2 years ago on clearance. This cute pumpkin candle is from Target, you guys, and I do have the bigger size on my coffee table. The little marble trivet is from INSPIREME home decor. I will link it down below. Love, love, love how cozy and simple this room looks. In my personal opinion, for fall, I'm just saying for fall, I'm not saying I'm simplistic, but I just love how the colors are pulling in just the warm, inviting coziness that we all want and desire for fall. On my fireplace mantle, I normally keep it very simple because I have the book end that's totally busy with decor. So I have these tapers candle right here. I do want to get like battery operated ones because I don't walk away from the room with these candles lit. I just don't. It just, yeah. But these pampas grass came from Amazon. I have the beige and also brown one. If it's still available, I'll link it down below. I have them out for a year, you guys. They're shed like nothing else. So if I do find the link and I link it, you do purchase from it. Make sure you use some hairspray. Even with hairspray, it's still shed, but I'll link it down below. It's so pretty. The coffee book holder, I believe is from Crate and Barrel or Pottery Barn, one of those two, but I'll find them and link down below. Most link will be linked down below. These stems are so beautiful. I love, love, love them. I got them from Hobby Lobby and I have them styled with these pumpkins from Target and I got them last year. One of my favorite purchases from Amazon are these stackable box. They're so pretty and so luxe and so well made. They come in black and also this color. Love, love, love them. And most of my vases are from, I think, Crate and Barrel, if I'm not mistaken, or Pottery Barn. But I love, love my neutral, also like my earthy tone with the pop of black and white. You guys know how it goes. This is the other side of my fireplace mantle. As I said, I keep it simple because the bookshelf only have like so much going on. I love, love how this space look. It's not too much, but I feel like it's very warm and inviting. For my coffee bar, I kept it the same way. If you follow the weekly vlog, you know, this is how we styled it. We haven't changed anything because we're quite pleased with how it looks like. I didn't do any other pumpkins in my kitchen space apart from these two. My dining room's a little different. You guys will see it in just a minute. But I love the fact that the coffee mugs, who are also shaped like pumpkins, only let you know that it's a, you know, it's a season. I love that, and I think you don't have to do much sometimes just to make your home cozy for the season. So looking into my kitchen a little bit, as you can tell, I didn't really do anything else but what you see right there. I just decorate more with gold during the fall season. I feel like brass just makes the space feel more warm and inviting. For my dining room, I styled it with these beautiful vases from Target. I'm not sure if it's still available, but if it is, I'll link them up. So the space must look a little different from my last video if you watched it, but I love it. I'm using the same stems that I have in my entryway over here as well, and those stems come from INSPIREME home decor. The light fixture is the same light fixture in my living room, and I just feel like it looks cozy. I feel like it meets the aesthetic and the look that I wanted for my home. I know when it comes to design, not everyone has the same style and aesthetic, but this is what my family loves and I love it too, and I hope you get some form of inspiration. If it's not your cup of tea, I definitely understand and I respect that, but you know, hopefully you guys are inspired by it. Hopefully you love it. I think that I can link will be linked down below. If I don't have it linked, mean it's discontinued. Until the next time, my friend, thank you all so much for your love and support, and I see you guys very soon in a brand new video. Bye.